Alright, welcome to a full day of eating while on prep. About 5 weeks out now, so yeah, calories are pretty low now, and yeah, it's getting real, boys. Yeah, do my fast cardio, then come back and have my first meal, some carbs, and then have another small meal before my workout, so I'm fueled up. Yo, I look crusty as shit. Like, I just woke up. It's like 4 p.m. right now. Yeah, sleep schedule's cooked, but yeah, I will have some caffeine. Peach Monsters go to just half of it, but yeah, it's pretty much fasted. I don't know, maybe like half gram of carbs, some shit. Help me get through those fucking 30 minutes of stairs that Coach MD puts me through. Depleted as shit. So fucking depleted. And bro, my carbs just keep getting smaller. I didn't get it. But yo, lovely day. Lovely day. But yeah, lovely day to get the day started at 4 p.m. Yeah, I need to make a move on. Usually after my fast cardio, I'll go for a quick swim in the beach because, you know, it's just really nice, but it might be dark and the vibes might not be there, but we'll see. I'm probably going to go head to the gym now, do fast cardio, get out of the way, maybe go for a swim. I'll be dying to eat by then. Gotta go to the post office real quick, grab some shit, my supplements.
Sharms.
Yeah, mate. This is my boy Tig. He's bulking up.
I know what he's up. I know what he's up to. Can't trust him.
He's bulking up. He's looking good. I'm fucking getting smaller, getting skinny as shit.
And I forgot to put the chicken out.
Bro's cooking this shit in front of me while I'm on prep. This is just absolutely teasing me.
Big G Ramsey here.
So yeah, I'm just walking to the post office right now. Absolutely lovely day. Yeah, I really wish I woke up earlier, but oh well. At least I can like have all my meals at the end of the day and won't be hungry when I sleep. So it's either my supplements or my my shorts for the show. Surely it's the shorts because they'll be so fucking hot. Some sort of proof of ID to pick up a shit, and I forgot my ID, so I'm gonna go back and grab my fucking ID. It's fine though, because I need these extra steps. It's late in the day, so yeah, I need to catch up. This wind is not doing me well. It's not the shorts, unfortunately, but I heard it's my VAR. The VAR for the husbands. My little secret stash. Very spinned out a bit too hard. Crazy in the tree. Don't stay daddy boys. That's what happens. Little boys. Post cardio, so depleted, boys. It's over. I'm cooked. Depleted cunt. So finally, my first meal: wheat bix and some protein powder, topped with some sugar-free chocolate sauce. I'll put some salt on top as well. It looks like absolute shit, but it's so good, bro. In all its glory. And it's 6 o'clock. I'm cooked, boys. Alright, I just done that meal. It was so good. Ate it in like seconds because I was so hungry. But usually I would delay my meal for my next meal. but it's really late and I need to get some calories down, carbs and all that stuff. So I think I'm gonna go cook that up now, and I'm hungry as fuck. So yeah, gives me a good reason. But yeah, probably go cook that right now, and I'll show you the next meal. Before I cook up that meal, I'll give you guys a little unboxing on what I brought before. Why not? It's just a few supplements. I'm not really a supplement guy. Usually I just take like the basics like creatine, protein powder, but like if it's gonna help me just a little bit, I don't know, I'll give it a go. But yeah, just natty supplements. Yeah, just cope supplements. But yeah, we'll give it a go. See how it goes, you know? Bro, I kid you not. What the fuck is this? This is not what I ordered. I've been fucking scammed, bro. What? But yeah, what I actually ordered was like L-glutamine, vitamin D, fish oil, all that shit, etc. And I got copper, please. Copper. Energy and metabolism could be keen. I don't know, but that's annoying. That's pretty annoying. Alright, for my pre-meal, second meal of the day, we have 100 grams of jasmine rice, 170 grams of extra lean beef mince, so it's very lean, pretty much like no fat, so it's gonna be good before the gym, fast digesting compared to, you know, high fat ones. But also we got 150 grams of egg whites and 1 egg. So yeah, absolute man meal right here. Boost test. How to boost fucking test, man. Just went to the grocery store to grab some essentials. I needed some eggs, egg whites, and then I found this jelly. It's like no calories, but yeah. Also, if you know, you know. So we just had some rice cakes for a pre-workout meal, some quick carbs, and now I've got a little stack here, it's like a Walter White stack, but we got pre-workout, pump, and then intra-workouts. So yeah, should be pretty good. It's pretty late, it's like 9 o'clock, but gonna do it. But I'm pretty hyped. Yeah, so we got our final meal here. It's just protein yogurt with protein powder and some chocolate zero sugar sauce. Not even that hungry to be honest. The last meal filled me up quite a bit, but I gotta get some extra protein in. That last meal was kangaroo. Kangaroo is really slept on, super lean, but it was so filling. But yeah, it tastes gas as well. So yeah, I just mixed this up and put it in the freezer so it's like ice cream consistency. It's fucking gas. So good. So yeah, I'm 5 weeks out. These meals here aren't part of the plan that Michael's given me, but it fits the macros. I'm pretty good with it. It's just with this video I lacked groceries, which I will go for a shop and do. But yeah, about 4 weeks out, I want to have everything dialed in exactly the same as the plan that Michael's given me. But yeah, it all fits the macros, so I guess we're good. But yeah, it's good to switch it up sometimes. But yeah, definitely like closer to the show, I want to be super dialed with that. But yeah, that was pretty funny in the previous clip of all those cops on that one guy. I just left the gym and there was like 20 cops on one guy. The cop was like, get out of the way, and then they're just like, it's like all chaotic and shit like that. But yeah, I mean, it's typical Friday night in Surfers. Yeah, that's my walk back to home. That shit there. But yeah, it's pretty funny. But yeah, that's gonna be a wrap. I'm gonna eat this up and yeah, go to bed because it's 4 a.m. I've got a cooked fucking sleep schedule. Yeah, eat this up and then get some Zeds. But yeah, I'll see you guys later.